Hi, we're Vinyl Tracer. I'm Liz, this is Claire, and this is Gid. Our app today is a music recommendation app based on artist trivia. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Hi everyone, we're Vinyl Tracer. We're just going to demo our app today.
Okay, so we needed to look for a present for Gid and Sarah for their baby shower. Did you have an idea?
No, do you what do you think? Vinyl?
Vinyl.
Yes, right. I found this really cool website. Can I have a look?
Yeah, definitely.
So it's called Vinyl Tracer, and it has this interesting system where it recommends 6 degrees of separation. But it's not a normal recommendation. It's based on artist trivia.
Okay, so yeah, it's kind of a search, but not sort of sounds like it's more looking at what's on the albums.
Yeah, it's sort of like if one person produced for one album, it might be connected to another, and it's a bit of a domino effect.
Nice.
So what do you think it'll like?
Start with the Stones.
Stones, he's a big Stones fan.
He had a good story about apparently his parents lived near the drummer from the Stones.
Oh, well this is perfect for him because it's all about trivia.
Nice.
So here we go, we've got the Rolling Stones discography, got a bit of info there. Is there anything you know that he doesn't have?
I think more recent, probably. Let's have a look.
Yeah, so this is in chronological order, which is really handy.
Yes, I think Steel Wheels.
Steel Wheels?
I don't recognise. Give that a try.
And the artwork's pretty cool.
Did I like that?
So here we go, got a bit more about the album.
A bit of scandal. So they're notable for patching up the working relationship between Mick and Keith.
Oh,
so
scandal.
and drama.
I'll save that because I think he would like that bit of info.
Yeah. So
then,
what's this 6 degrees?
So this is where the magic happens. You're going to get 6 connected albums.
Ooh. Cool. So Amy Winehouse wouldn't have thought.
No, so she is connected because she did collaboration at the White Festival, and that connects on to Marvin Gaye because she covered Marvin Gaye's song. It sort of goes on and on like that.
Okay, so kind of cascades one to the next to the next.
Yeah, with all its bits of artist information. So anything in there you think it'd like?
Yeah, I'm thinking Blur, because remember Sarah was saying that was the first cassette she bought as a teenager to get her vinyl.
Yes.
So save that one.
Save that.
And then let's see what that'll get us. Try the 6 for that.
Let's see what the connections are here. Oh, so obviously we've got Gorillaz, got some Lou Reed, and that connects to Bowie. I know he's a Bowie fan.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Cool, I love the artwork as well.
Gonna bag these.
Okay, so can we actually buy them? So what do we do?
Yeah, so now we've got a little collection. We can have a look on Discogs, which is a peer-to-peer platform. Okay. So let's have a look.
So is it like kind of a marketplace type
yeah,
thing?
So it's available here. So you avoid the big sort of Amazons and things.
Yeah, that's good, but it's going to take a while to get here. So can we do a more local?
Yeah, there's another choice. So we can have a look for a local store.
Okay, I think there's one near my work, so maybe try NW1.
NW1, let's have a look. Hopefully. Great.
Yeah, that's the one I think. So yeah, has it got the map as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'd be really handy.
Is that quite near where you work?
Yeah, so we
awesome.
could there, maybe meet there.
Cool, should we just check it out?
Yeah.
So, let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, looks good.
It's got the top of the Pops logo. Okay, great. So let's have a look at the collection so we know what we're going to pick up at the store.
See what we want.
So we've
got some others as well.
Got Skid's collection, but I did have a look earlier,
and
I found this amazing one. I think you'll like.
Yeah, I know that label.
You
know
Pretty
good producers.
Yeah. So
we
great.
for that.
So now we've got all our collections. We can go to the store.
Nice.